Okay.
So the transformation equation accounts for all different types of transformations that occur. So the main transformation equation can be written as y is equal to a f of b x plus h plus k. And I'm going to write about each of the alphabet, why are they used. What is A? A means vertical reflection.
Reflect over x-axis in vertical direction, affect y-axis.
Or vertical dilation, and that affects y values. In bracket, it means it's affecting that values. I'm not writing effect again and again. Okay. Now I have the B1. So the B factor means it's going to represent horizontal reflection. Horizontal reflection affects y-axis. Horizontal dilation The next is the factor H. The factor H is responsible for horizontal translation, which means affects x-axis. The last one is vertical translation. And vertical translation means it's going to affect y values. Are you getting my point? We
Yes.
have the equation y is equal to a f of b x plus h plus k. If a means the whatever constant is multiplying before the function, it means that function is going to either give the vertical reflection or vertical dilation. The B means it is going to give horizontal reflection or horizontal dilation. H means horizontal translation and K means vertical translation. So this is what we should know. Now, as you know, as we see, you can see that we have vertical reflection, vertical dilation, and the letter A is responsible for vertical reflection or dilation. How do you know if letter A is responsible for either reflection or dilation? How do you know B is responsible for reflection
or dilation?
So in the next slide, you will get the answer for this. Number 1 was reflect. 2 was dilate. And the last one was translate. Reflect has options. Reflect has 2 options, either y is equal to negative f of x or y is equal to f of negative x.
Okay.
Dilate has options, y is equal to a f of x,
लाइट ऑन करो, टर्न ऑन द लाइट।
y is equal to f of bx. Translate has options. Y is equal to f of x plus k, or y is equal to f of x plus h. I'm going to write in words what does it actually mean. What does y is equal to minus f of x means?
So please turn on the lights.
Y is equal to minus f of x means reflect vertically over x axis. Y is equal to f of negative x means reflect horizontally over y axis. Dilate. Dilate means dilate has further two options. If A is between 0 and 1, and if A is greater than 1. If A is between 0 and 1, it means compress vertically.
ये जो लास्ट वाला है ट्रांसलेट, तो x प्लस k है और नीचे x प्लस h है, they're different, right?
Yes. But doesn't matter. I've just changed the constant. Like you can write, it can be 2, it can be 2, 3, 4, whatever. K, H are constants. A, B are constants. A,
Okay,
B, K, H are
yeah,
constants.
they are constant. Yes.
Okay. So if A is between 0 and 1, we need to compress vertically. But if A is greater than 1, we need to expand vertically. Now, the other option is for B. If B is between 0 and 1, you need to expand
Turn on the lights, Yusuf. Turn on the lights.
horizontally. If B is greater than 1, we need to compress horizontally. Translate. If K is greater than 0, you need to translate up. And if K is less than 0, you need to translate down. H is greater than 0, you need to translate left. And if H is less than 0, we need to translate. Finally, we are done with it. So what's happening? We have three things: reflect, dilate, translate. Okay. Reflect means if y is equal to negative f of a, reflect have two options. We have negative sign with the function, means we need to reflect vertically over the x-axis. If it is like this, we will reflect it like this. If a negative sign is with the x-axis, we need to reflect horizontally over the y-axis. So this is, are you getting my point? Okay, dilate. We will do so many examples for understanding this table. Okay, don't worry. Y is equal to
So
A.
just one question. So in the exam, like इस तरह से आता है ये 12th में कि you like kind of you do so many exercises and you kind of ये हो जाता ना जैसे a square plus b square, आपको याद हो जाती हैं चीजें.
Yes.
तो ये वैसे ही होता है कि you can
Yes.
like
What happens
right.
when we will do so many examples, हमें पता होगा कि function के बाहर negative sign का मतलब है we need to reflect vertically. Function के
अच्छा,
अंदर
okay,
negative sign का मतलब है we need to reflect horizontally. So if we
okay,
have a factor multiplying before the function, it has two options. If it is between 0 and 1, we need to compress. If greater than 1, we need to expand. If we have
okay.
a factor inside the x, it means it has two options. Between 0 and 1, expand. Greater than 1, compress. We know कि अच्छा ये चीज तो अभी आपको याद हो जाएगी कि अब अगर आपके पास f of x के बाहर जो है anything multiplying, it is always going to work vertically. It's going to either expand or compress or whatever, but it's going to go vertically. And if it is inside the x with x, it's going to go horizontally, either expand or compress, whatever. But whenever it is inside the function, it's going to work on horizontal line. Whenever it is outside the function, it's going to work on the vertical line. So this is a very, very important point. ये तो आपको भी याद किया. Now you can see translate f of x plus k. So you can see again, it is outside the function. So translate up or down means we are moving on the vertical axis. Up or
Okay.
down means playing with the vertical axis. And x plus h inside the bracket means translate left or right means moving playing with the horizontal axis. So the one very important thing is whenever function is inside with the x-axis inside the bracket, you have to play with the horizontal axis. Whenever the function has some element outside the function, it means you have to play with the vertical axis. So in the case of translate, if the value is greater than 0, that is adding, you need to translate up, because definitely we know positive means to translate up. We know negative means to translate down. And in the case of x plus h, positive means to translate left. Well, I have just told you that in the case of horizontal, it's opposite intuition. So x plus h greater than 0 means translate left and less than 0 means translate right.